Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. First, check about this Mac to note your current Mac OS version. This tells you which update path to follow. Once done, run Time Machine or copy critical files to an external drive to prevent data loss. Make sure your Mac is plugged in and has at least 20 GB free. These steps avoid interruptions and give the installer room to expand temporary files and complete cleanly. You now fetch and install the update. Open System Settings, go to General, then Software Update. The system checks Apple servers and shows available updates. Click Update Now for point releases or Upgrade Now for major releases. Read the release notes and compatibility warnings, especially for critical apps. Once the download finishes, click Install. Your Mac will restart. Make sure to let the installer run without closing the lid or forcing shutdown, because interrupted installs can corrupt the system. You finish by completing the Setup Assistant and validating the system. After reboot, sign in with your Apple ID, re-enable services like iCloud, and confirm system preferences. Make sure your apps open and files are intact. Update third-party apps from the App Store or developer sites if needed. If something goes wrong, try Safe Mode to isolate startup issues, run First Aid in Disk Utility to repair the drive, and if necessary, reinstall Mac OS. These steps usually
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.